Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jiminy Piminy, and I'm just making a little video post. It's supposed to be thunderstorming for the next like 4 hours. No, you just saw a little bit of it. It's been lighting up like that for, I don't know, the past 45 minutes, maybe half an hour. So I decided to come out here on the porch under a small awning and make a little video post and hopefully capture some more of that lightning. I know you guys can't see it, but we're actually under like maybe 2 feet at the most of actual roof. I'll try and show it upwards so you can see how much I'm dealing with, but I'm in a 3-step porch, and the 3rd step where my feet are definitely in the rain, and it's gonna start coming down real heavy pretty soon, so I'm gonna keep smoking this blunt and see where we get. I mean cigar. Sounds like the rain is starting to kick up a little bit. Hopefully we'll see the heaviest part of the storm. I'll try and keep my MacBook dry. You just saw from that lightning, that line across the screen, that was like the amount of roof I'm dealing with. I'm gonna be out there. I'm definitely going to run out in the rain. It's just a matter of time. Insanity. Okay. Now I'm actually seeing the visible lines of lightning. I know it's about to pick up real fucking hard. This should be the climax. Where the rain is, so is that stuff.